Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com, and this is another quick video for Oscar in New York. I don't remember which part it is now. It's probably 15 or so. So anyway, wiper assembly removed again, and here is what I found inside, which is the most ridiculous I ever seen, because to be honest, I never seen any wiper assembly this bad. So what this is basically mix of glass, plastic and whatnot. So here it's supposed to be a gear, so this is the only tube left, and along these gears there is another gear on the other side that moves. So what it does is, of course, it extends our wiper forward and backward to wipe the center portion of the windshield. So the actual extension mechanism, as you can see, is okay. It's very, very dry, and obviously, as you can see, it's already polished in metal because there's no lubrication left. So that's going to be all re-greased, of course. The gear on this one is okay. I will count teeth, and hopefully I will get another of these gears if they're available still. So I would like to replace this gear, because if you look really closely, you already will see stress marks. Let me see if I can. As you can see, you got tiny little cracks in the gear. So that is basically scratches, and it could be also be stress marks. I cannot say for certain because I cannot look inside the plastic. But from most likely these are scratches though. It appears to be scratches. As you can see, material is stuck inside. In terms of this gear right here, it's supposed to be sort of half moon looking gear along this length, and it's important to know which part it came from. Also, these little seals over here, they're also perishing, so that not much I can do with that, unfortunately. But once the assembly is on top, it's not going to be visible. Once we grease everything, it should be all right, because basically these edges, they go in here, and then the whole assembly moves up and down. The motor is there, the linkage goes to it. So let's just flip it around. This is what came out, by the way, from the case. So we got plastic pieces, appears to be more plastic, some pieces of glass. It appears to be, as I believe, windshield says Mercedes logo on it. I didn't look at the production date on the windshield, but anyway. So this is the linkage, it sits in here, and the motor seemed to be okay, original German. So okay, so that is what's in here. So this is what we need to deal with. So now I'm going to get all the part numbers of this stuff and count the teeth on this gear, just so we're on the same page. And hopefully I will find another set, because if you're going to put the used parts, so obviously what's going to happen, it's going to deteriorate as well. It's going to be already dry. The car is 92, 93, so obviously all these years took its toll. And it's been in Texas all its life, so heat also played major role for gear deteriorating. I mean, eventually they will all break. So this is basically where we are. So this is a quick video just to show internals, and I needed to take this information so I can go and do my research where I can find that gear. I think I had one somewhere laying around, because I had 300E back in my day and mine broke, but I never replaced it. So maybe I have it somewhere, but I'll look for it. But again, I need the part number of the assembly so I get the proper gear. Alright, so this is going to be all for now. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.